Okay, to get started with this look, you're going to take your liquid latex and make a giant circle around your face. I like to go kind of full glam for this one. And then you're going to take tissue paper and kind of go in between the layers of latex. I usually do about 4 to 5 layers of latex and then tissue paper in between every single layer. And then take a foundation that matches your skin tone. And then you're just going to want to pull up the outside edge of the liquid latex once it's all dry. Don't pull on the inside. It's the cheapest way to wax your face because it pulls on all your tiny baby hairs. And then just take a face paint. I like to use red and black and purple, make it really gross looking. And then you'll take your stage blood and just cover your whole face in it however you want to. You can use as much blood or as little blood as you want. And then I'm just taking a paintbrush and I wrapped it in liquid latex so that it looks like a mask instead. You don't have to do that, but you can. And then this is the fun part. Dear Coke, if you send me more Coke, I will send you my face. Hashtag share a Coke with Britain. This is the completed look. Happy Halloween!